In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an AI avatar on Fotor. We'll walk through the process from start to finish so you can create a polished AI avatar quickly and confidently. First, open your web browser and go to fotor.com. Make sure you're logged into your account, and if you're prompted to choose a specific profile, select the one you want to use. Being signed in ensures your progress is saved and the AI features are fully available on your dashboard. Once you're on your dashboard, look for the search bar, usually at the top. Click into it and type AI avatar. When you see the AI avatar option in the results, select it. Fotor will redirect you to the AI avatar tool, and it may open in a new tab. If your browser blocks new tabs, allow it so the tool can launch properly. On the AI avatar page, you'll be asked to upload your photo. Choose a clear image where your face is well lit, centered, and not obscured by sunglasses or hats. A simple background and a high quality photo usually lead to better results. If the tool asks you to confirm or crop your image, just follow the on-screen prompts so your face is framed correctly. After your photo is uploaded, explore the different avatar types or art styles available. You'll see a variety of looks, from realistic to stylized, and everything in between. Take a moment to browse and imagine how each style might complement your photo. If you're unsure, start with a style that matches the mood you want, like professional, playful, or artistic. You can always come back and try other styles later. Once you've picked the avatar type or art style you want, confirm your selection. The system will start processing your image. This can take anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes, depending on the style and current server load. Keep the tab open and avoid refreshing the page while it works. A stable internet connection helps, and if it seems slow, just give it a little extra time to finish. When processing completes, your AI avatar will appear on the screen. Take a look at the result and note how the style interprets your features. If you're experimenting, feel free to return to the styles and try another look using the same photo to compare outcomes. And that's it. Simple, straightforward, and creative. Follow these steps and you'll have a great looking AI avatar ready to showcase wherever you like.